again, this is the rear trans mount for the Accords, the TSXs, the Element, and the CRV manual transmissions. It also works with the 2012 through 2015 Civic Si, and I think it's 2013 through 15 or 16 Acura ILX transmission as well. For the all-wheel drive, this is a Element two-wheel drive, but the case is the same between them. The all-wheel drive includes a different differential and a different secondary ring gear, in addition to the transfer unit that bolts on in this location. But again, the case is the same. It allows for the buildup of the all-wheel drive setup. With this 2012 Civic Si, which again is going to be the same as the Accord 03 and up, and the TSX 04 and up, it will bolt here. Depending on the engine you use, again, this location here may not be already threaded to the correct size for this bolt, but on your Z3 it is, I can tell you that. So it's mounted in one location here, through the engine into the transmission, one location directly into the engine, this location directly into the engine, and this location into the transmission. On the all-wheel drive, this location is not used, but this is, and this, again, depending on the engine you use, may need to be drilled and tapped to a larger size to accept this. So the neighbor brought over a taco, so we're taking a taco break. But I'll show you this mount. Now, this is the stock 2012 Civic Si mount. I'll show you its replacement on the Hasport side of things in just a second. We're back again. Thank you, Benjamin, for the taco. That was friggin' delicious. Haven't stopped today, so that was much needed, and he knew that, so thank you. Here is the transmission side back bracket and mount. It's going to replace this stock unit here. We'll throw those together so you can see that on there. And there you go. That's in its final resting place. I'll pull the camera off so I can show you a little bit better. But this is basically how this assembly will sit in the car. That is the transmission rear mount on a 2012 Civic Si transmission. It, if used with a K24 Z3, will utilize this bolt, this through engine into transmission bolt, this directly into the transmission bolt, and this directly into the engine bolt. On an Element transmission, which is right over there, it will utilize this bolt again, depending on which motor you're using. The older motors, the K24As, you're going to have to drill and tap to use this bolt. But it would use this bolt, and this bolt. This does not exist. This threaded location does not exist. It would be right in this region here, and it is not there. Again, thank you, Brian. Huge thank you for all your help on the project already. Not to mention all of the VTech Academy information on the VTech Academy website, and all of the VTech Academy videos that are on YouTube. I've gained a ridiculous amount of knowledge on the K-Series side of things. I've been playing with Hondas for a long time, mostly D-Series, a little bit of B-Series, but this is my first foray into anything K-swapped. So that knowledge has been priceless already, and it's going to prove its value even more so as we go into the actual work over and above the research side of things. So thanks again to Brian, and look forward to the next video, because that means I'm working on the car again. You guys all take care of yourselves and take care of each other, and we'll make it through this and hopefully be stronger afterwards. You guys take care. Bye.